Jack Kilgore, and we're going bird hunting.
Oh, goodness.
Venice Cobra! One fight, not dead. I'm gonna go closer with the stick. Ah! Whoa! 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 He's coming for me! Ah! Whoa! 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 Yeah, doggy!
Okay. Well, it's fall out here, and Jackson was apparently bird hunting in some strange thermal, oh goodness, underwear outfit, and everybody else is bird hunting as well.
He's
So-
coming for my Lucky Charms.
How did the bird hunt go? Good.
Deliciously awesome!
Deliciously awesome. Okay. Well, there you go. I hope everybody's enjoying their beautiful fall. Almost all of our leaves are gone.
So,
Uh-oh, he's back. Apparently he's gonna
Jack
hunt some.
Kilgore.
Oh my god, that's a scary face. It is so creepy. Oh. Happy fall, everyone.